So this is pretty much all the meals I have during my day. Apple, iceberg lettuce, milk. This is like a Scandinavian type of yogurt. Eggs, some bread, some tortilla bread, some minced meat, tomato, onion, tomato paste, cucumber, beans in tomato sauce. Monster, I drink to get some energy when I do some work. Of course, this yogurt, corn, banana. So as you see, good amount of food, a decent amount of food, simple food, nothing special. I just like to keep it simple, and yeah, pretty tasty as well. And you know, this yogurt is pretty amazing because one package, one portion has about 20 grams of protein, as you see right there, 20 grams, and carbs 16, fat 0. It's really ideal because this one you don't have to prepare, you just grab and go. So I can eat it when I have a break or something. So it gives me roughly, I eat 2 of them, so that gives me roughly about 40 grams of protein, and it's really good amount of protein right there. I have it with a banana, and that's how I start my first meal of the day. Or if I'm home whole day, I eat it like before gym, because this is ideal situation because you don't eat a huge amount of fats before gym. So this is ideal before and after gym with some banana. So and also recently I have made a wrap with all the vegetables. I make a huge bowl of salad, I put this in the oven, minced meat, some beans, and I make a wrap. I will show you now, guys. And these ones are really convenient. It's like a Scandinavian type of cheese. There's a lot of protein in this one, 20 grams, as you see right there, 20, 16 carb and 0 fat. You don't have to prepare anything. This is really convenient. And what I do, I cut the banana in pieces, I put it in the box, blend it, and I eat it. Really tasty, fit well together, and yeah, give it a try. And I do every day 2 of them. Let's say I do like this, so I have different flavor: strawberry, vanilla, and banana. So I do like that each day. So that gives me about 40 grams of protein and roughly, let's say, 50 grams of carb or something like this. I don't really count my macro. I just know that I eat enough protein, roughly around 200 grams of protein every day. So we're gonna make a power brunch. This is a meal example of my circle diet, okay? Circle diet meaning the meals I'm switching between my healthy meals to keep it sustainable and interesting and tasty meals, of course. So we have whole eggs, we have olive oil, salt, pepper, we have egg white because I don't like to waste egg, so I buy these, really convenient. Tomato, beans, we have red onion, or you can use any other vegetable you want, but these 2 fits really well. And we have sprout. Sprout is really nutritious, so this looks like this. Really okay to add it to the side, you know. And then mushroom. So I'm gonna make it now, stay tuned. Alright, there you go. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan, just a drop, like that. And then I even it out because I don't want to waste calories by putting too much oil in the pan. I'm trying to save on the calories. And to be honest, it's waste of calories if you just put a lot of oil. So what I do next is that I mix in the egg because I'm gonna make an omelette, right? But you can make a scrambled egg, it depends on you what you like. Or if you can do like a sunny side up also. So 2 egg yolk. And then this is new, so I need to open the packet. Alright, so I I eyeball it, so I do like this amount. I think this is about 4 egg whites or 5 egg whites in my range. And then I take a fork, I beat the eggs. Alright. So it looks like this. I pour it in. Like that. And then I take the onion and spread it out. Like this. Okay, like this. Boom, boom, boom. You can of course add other type of vegetables, but it comes up to you what you like and what you prefer. So now I'm gonna cut the mushrooms, and of course remember to wash it. Okay, I'll do like, let's say 4 of these, or let's say 3 of these, or 4. Okay, I will wash them now. And oh yeah, before it gets hard, it's really important to spice them up, because then the spice will really sit and hold onto the omelette. So we're gonna do this. Okay. Some pepper. There you go. Done with these. Then, okay. I have to wash this. And I also need to toast bread also. All right. Nice. Okay, so I just remove the stem. You can have it if you want, but there you go. Nice. Perfect. These are really easy to cut, you know. And since the mushroom shrinks when you cook them, don't cut them into too small pieces. Like size like this is perfect because it will shrink. And you really want to have a bite force into it as well, you know. So like that. Boom. Boom. Okay, fine. Okay, I put this in the side, and I bring the toaster and I toast the bread because I like bread on the side as also. So we have a toaster. Let's toast the bread. Let it cook, and I'll show you guys later. So how do you look like? So meanwhile it's cooking, preparing the toast. We have some mushroom, and we're gonna add the tomato beans. Whole can is about 20 grams of protein, so I use half, so it's like 10. And tomorrow I will use the other half. We have some sprouts. We have bread. Oh, we also perfect. Bad boy. And then we're gonna do mushrooms. I don't use that much olive oil. I just try to heat it. That's it. So meanwhile the mushroom cooks, I just clean up the mess so I'm time efficient, okay? Meanwhile it cooks. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is how it looks like. We have some omelette, sprout, mushroom bean mix, and bread. I'm gonna devour this. Try it out, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Mm-hmm.